Stephanie here. So today's video is going to be this curly hair tutorial. I've done wand curls before on my hair and on extensions, but I actually have in a sew-in, so I wanted to see what it looked like on the sew-in. And I also have never used the smallest barrel that it comes with. So it comes with 3 barrels, and this is the one that I use today. I believe I've done tutorials on these ones in the past, and I'll try to link those in the description box if I can find them. But yeah, I love how it came out. I feel like I want to do it like more often. It's really pretty. Like, I love the volume. You guys let me know if you guys like this, and if you guys want to see how I did it, then keep on watching. Also, I know some of you guys may be wondering how long it took me to do this, because when I thought about doing it, I was like, nah, I'm gonna be doing my hair all day long. But it literally took me like 7 minutes or less per section, and I know that because I was recording and I was watching on my camera as I was doing it. It took me like less than 30 minutes, and I feel like I could have done it quicker if I wasn't filming a video. So yeah, I feel like I definitely will do this more often in the future because I just am obsessed. Yeah, so now keep on watching.
So I'm just right now just detangling my hair, and before recording I sprayed my hair with a heat protectant, so you definitely want to do that. I use the Tresemme heat protectant, and now I'm just dividing my hair in 2 sections, and I'm gonna tie up the section that I'm not working with right now, and then I'm just gonna take like 1 to 2 inch sections and wrap it around my barrel and hold it for about 10 seconds, and then hold it once I let it go, and then completely let it go. And you'll see what I mean in a second. Right here, I'm gonna hold it in my hand when I take it off the barrel, and then I'm gonna let it go. And basically, I'm just gonna repeat this step over and over again on my entire head. Alrighty, so this is what it looks like when I'm done with all the wand curls. But now what I'm going to do is take them and I'm going to separate them so that they don't look so defined and like I did it with the wand, you know what I mean? I want it to look more fluffy and natural, so I'm just going to separate the curls with my fingers. And now I'm just going to lay my edges with some edge control gel, and this gel I actually got from my hairstylist. She sells it. You can't buy it in stores or online. I don't know if she sells it on her website or not. If she does, I'll link her information in the description box. But you can use whatever kind of edge control that you like. And then also you just want to spray your hair with some hairspray. And I didn't show myself spraying my hair with hairspray, but I typically use the Tresemme hairspray.
That's the end of this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this look, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Love you guys.